Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Discord to use your data to improve the app. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on this emoji button down below on the right side corner. After that, click on privacy and safety. Then scroll down and find this how we use your data section. Here you can find use data to improve Discord feature that you can enable by tapping on this button on the right side. As you can see, this setting allows the app to use and process information about how you navigate and use Discord for analytical purposes. It allows them to include you in a few new feature experiments that they test. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.